In today's world, convenience and energy efficiency are at the forefront of modern living, especially when it comes to controlling your home's temperature. This Honeywell Home Wi-Fi 7-day programmable thermostat, a revolutionary solution that blends cutting-edge technology with practicality to give you complete control over your heating and cooling systems. Whether you're at home or on the go, this thermostat ensures that your home's temperature is always just the way you like it and without any wasted energy. Why you should consider the Honeywell Home Wi-Fi 7-day programmable thermostat? The Honeywell Home Wi-Fi 7-day programmable thermostat isn't just another ordinary thermostat. It's a state-of-the-art, energy-efficient tool designed to keep your home comfortable while helping you save money on your energy bills. With Wi-Fi capabilities and compatibility with a range of home automation systems, this thermostat offers convenience and flexibility like never before. One of the most appealing features of the Honeywell Home Wi-Fi thermostat is its ability to be controlled remotely through your smartphone or tablet. Whether you're stuck in traffic, on vacation, or simply sitting in another room, you can easily adjust the temperature from anywhere using the free Total Connect Comfort app or Residio app. Smartphone and tablet compatibility. With access to your thermostat at your fingertips, you can adjust your home's climate in real time without being tied to the physical unit. Program on the go. Forgot to adjust the thermostat before leaving home? No problem. Simply use the app to reprogram or make adjustments to your schedule. If you're passionate about reducing your environmental impact, the Honeywell Home Wi-Fi 7-day programmable thermostat is an ideal choice. This thermostat is ENERGY STAR certified, meaning it meets rigorous energy efficiency standards that help lower your utility bills while also benefiting the planet. Monthly energy reports. Track your home's heating and cooling usage to see how much energy you're saving each month. These reports help you monitor your usage and make adjustments to maximize savings. Personalized tips for energy reduction. The thermostat provides tailored suggestions for reducing your energy consumption, which can have a significant impact on your yearly bills. Energy savings rebates. Many energy providers offer rebates for customers using ENERGY STAR certified products. Be sure to check with your utility provider to find out if you can save even more on your purchase. Integration with other smart devices. Whether you have smart lights, door locks, or security systems, the Honeywell Wi-Fi thermostat easily connects to your existing smart home ecosystem for streamlined operation. Everyone has their own schedule, and the Honeywell Home Wi-Fi 7-day programmable thermostat is designed to accommodate that. With the ability to program 7 days a week and 4 periods per day, you can sync your thermostat with your exact routine, ensuring that your home stays comfortable when you need it most. Personalized programming. Program different settings for workdays, weekends, and evenings. The thermostat adjusts the temperature according to your preferences, reducing energy use when you're away or sleeping. The Honeywell features a large, backlit digital display, making it easier than ever to adjust settings directly on the device. Whether you're setting the thermostat manually or just checking the current temperature, the clear, easy-to-read display makes the process straightforward. The Honeywell Home Wi-Fi 7-day programmable thermostat is designed to work with a wide range of HVAC systems, ensuring compatibility with most homes. Compatible systems works with forced air, gas, oil, or electric, hot water and steam systems, as well as heat pumps with electric backup. Excludes certain systems. The thermostat is not compatible with electric baseboard heat, 120 to 240 volt, heating only oil furnace systems, or some specific high-voltage systems. The Honeywell Wi-Fi thermostat is easy to install for most users, though a C-wire is required to power the unit. If you're unsure whether your system has a C-wire, check your existing thermostat or consult an HVAC professional. Installation made simple. Once installed, the thermostat can be easily programmed through the mobile app or directly on the unit. C-wire adapter. If your system doesn't have a C-wire, an adapter can be purchased separately for installation. If you're looking to elevate your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and smart technology capabilities, the Honeywell Home Wi-Fi 7-day programmable thermostat is an excellent investment. Click the link below to explore the full product specifications and get yours today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.